Did your cruise control suddenly stop working? You're not alone. This is a common issue for GMC Acadia owners. Let's figure out what's going on. First, check if your cruise control light turns on when you press the button. No light? It could be as simple as a blown fuse or a faulty switch. Next, ask yourself, are your brake lights working? A bad brake pedal switch can prevent cruise control from activating because the system thinks you're braking. If your check engine or other warning lights are on, cruise control may be disabled automatically. You'll need to scan for error codes and address any underlying issues. Another common culprit? Low brake fluid or worn brake pads. Some vehicles disable cruise control if there's a problem with the braking system. Also, don't forget, the cruise control won't work below a certain speed or if you're driving on steep hills. Make sure you're meeting basic requirements for activation. If you've checked all these and it's still not working, try restarting your car. Sometimes a simple reset can solve electronic glitches. Still no luck? It may be time to visit a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose deeper electrical or sensor issues that aren't easy to spot. Remember, never try to fix cruise control while driving. Take it slow and stay safe. Now you know the basics. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more simple car tips.